everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a true unboxing on my channel. I am so excited because you guys know that I do not really ever do a true unboxing because as soon as the FedEx or the UPS comes and drops it off, I have to get into it because I always have to scope it out. And this time I opened it and it was packaged so beautifully that I was like, okay, I have to share it with them because I was not going to be able to put it back together the way I received it. I am loving my look today. I look like my mother. How cute is that? I love you, Mom. Guys, let's go ahead and get started. While I unbox it, I will definitely tell you guys why, when, and where I found these shoes. All right, so I definitely am so excited to get into these. As soon as I opened it, I saw this cute little GG paper, as you can see there. I will probably keep it because I am just totally like that. I am a sucker for nice packaging, like who isn't? And then of course, in the box, it came wrapped just like that. I'm so excited to see these. I have actually waited quite a bit to get into this because I have been so busy and stuff this month, which sounds ridiculous because we're in quarantine, right? But I have still been busy doing things, and sometimes I don't even feel like filming, and I kind of feel like I always have to get ready to film. I don't know, I mean, I shouldn't feel that way, but I definitely feel that way. But I was feeling good today and I was like, I have to unbox these because I'm dying to see them and dying to display them. So I will show you how it came. And what's really funny about these is that back in October of last year, I went to Phoenix, Arizona for my best friend's wedding. Or no, I went for her bachelorette. Her wedding was in January. But her bachelorette was in October. We went over there, and on the last day that I was gonna head back home, I was like, I have got to go to Fashion Square. She's like, you need to go to Fashion Square, you belong there. So I had to go. I went by myself and I fell in love. I saw these in person. And when I saw them, I was just like, can I try those on? I ended up trying, I think a 37.5 and a 38. And I cannot remember which size I liked better. I know that one of them was snugger than the other, and then the other one was more loose. So I think that the 38 was a little more loose and the 37.5 was a little tight. All right, guys, I am so excited to see these. They came packaged beautifully. They came just like this. And of course, you guys already know what the box looks like, but I knew that if I unboxed these without unboxing them on camera, that I was not gonna be able to put them back together like this. So of course it comes with your little card right here. Here it just comes with your receipt, and that you see in red does say that all sales are final with this item because these were on clearance. And it's crazy because Gucci never has a sale, or I mean, they have an outlet store, but from their own boutique, they never have a sale or a clearance or anything like that. But because of the pandemic and because of them having to shut so many stores and so on, they lost a lot of, they didn't lose, but they have a lot of inventory that they needed to get rid of. So that's when they decided to have this, sell. And I saw these online, and this girl said that, I think I follow her on TikTok, and I will link her down below, but she's awesome. She kind of finds all these great deals and then just kind of lists them on there for you to go and look for them. And she found these shoes and some espadrilles as well. And I was like, I want both of those. And I was looking everywhere. I called everywhere. And I finally, it took literally a whole day of me calling every boutique. I was just Googling all kinds of boutiques in Boston, in Hawaii. I called everywhere, literally everywhere, because I knew that every boutique might have been sold out of one, but there was probably one and then another one. And honestly, the associates that I was speaking to on the phone, they were like, oh yeah, I looked in the database and like there's no more. And I'm like, how is there no more? This girl just got, you know, a pair yesterday. I know she didn't get the last one. So long story short, even though that was already a long story, I was able to locate these. Thank you to an associate at Fashion Square in Phoenix, Arizona, in Scottsdale. She let me know that there was another pair of these in my size that I was looking for, and they were located in Las Vegas, Nevada. And I was like, wow, I would have never thought that they would have them in stock there, because so many people travel there and you would think that they would be gone. But I located them and I talked to a sales associate there. He was absolutely amazing and he got them to me. So let's go ahead and get into this. I definitely wanted to share this with you guys. I am so excited to see these. I really hope that I got the right size. I am just so nervous about that. Maybe I should have just pulled it off. There we go. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. I am so excited. These are so cute, perfect for summer, perfect to dress up, perfect to dress down. Oh my goodness, here they are. I am so excited about these. I got these beautiful wedge espadrilles. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. So this laces up on your ankle. So they're like lace up. They're super sexy, super cute. I absolutely love them. Of course, I do believe that this comes in another color. You can get the navy blue with the red, but of course I had to get the green and the red. Absolutely love it. Absolutely, absolutely. So you do have a really shorter heel. I love the small heel. I believe this is 4 inches. I will definitely put it up here if I'm wrong, but I believe it's 4 inches. And I have some Christian Louboutin wedges that are 6 inches, and those are, I don't wear those too much. I don't wear them too often. So this is what they look like. I'll take the stuffing out of them. Oh my gosh. I know they don't look super cute just looking at them like this, but when you try them on, they are to die. I'll show you up close what they look like real quick, because I will definitely be trying them on my feet. I do not have a petty or anything right now, but I have to show you guys how cute these are. So they have like white, like an ivory white. No, it's more like a, yeah, it's like an ivory white back there. And then you just have your little laces. And then of course, they look just like this. And like I said, I did go with the 37.5 because they did not have a 38. So I'm just hoping that these ones are gonna work for me. But I love wedges, love, love, love wedges. They are so comfortable. And honestly, I don't know, because of the, you know, not the ribbon or, you know, just this material. I don't know if that's gonna kind of dig into my foot. But of course, like I always do, I will be wearing these and then putting it down in the description box if I thought that they were comfortable or not. I will definitely let you guys know. This has like some micro suede or something lining in here that feels like it's gonna be really, it's gonna feel good on the back of your foot, which is great. So I got these and I am so excited that I got these. He told me that they were the last ones in my size in his store, and I was just like, you better send them to me, and he did, and I'm so excited. So these are so, I don't know, I feel like I got a couple of things from Gucci for my birthday this month, and I'm just like absolutely in love with these. I love the sneakers that I did an unboxing of. I love them. They are so cute, so out there, but these wedges, guys, let me try them on for you. Okay, so let's not look at my not cute toes and my not cute tan, but I am obsessed with these. Look at how cute they just look. They are so cute. Let me see if I can show you guys. There's a mirror. See, they look so cute. I can't handle these. They're perfect. This one I did not tie very good, so it's sliding down. So with these, you will have to tie them a little tight. But honestly, like, aren't they just so cute? And they're not high, like I said. So you will be able to wear these and hopefully they will be very comfortable. So I'm so excited about these. All right, so now that I tried them on for you, aren't you just as obsessed as I am? So let's get right back into the box because I just like actually got to look in the box. I was so excited about the shoes. It's so cool because I got them on clearance, which, how does that even happen? And they also came with their own dust bags, which is awesome. Like, I know I'm not getting I didn't purchase these from the outlet, but I was still shook that they sent the dust bag. So that's cool. And then of course you get like your little, I think this is just like the authenticity booklet. Maybe it's not. It's that booklet that we get and we're like, what the heck is this even for? About like the manufacturer and stuff in different languages. Gucci responsibility card. It's crazy because good things really do come to those who wait, because I was just a few months ago, maybe not even a few, maybe like, it's been a while since October, whenever I was over there at Fashion Square trying these exact ones on. I'll insert a picture here. And I didn't buy them, and I came home, I was even thinking about them after I came home, and I said, you know what, I'll just wait on them. And then I like forgot about them, and then they popped up months later for half the price. Like, how does that even happen? I don't know, but that is just so exciting to me. If you love them just as much as I do, let me know down below. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. July is coming to the end, and of course we know, or I know, maybe, okay, I know, calm down, Chantal. I know that my birthday is on the 21st of this month, and I am so excited. I am going to be 28 years old. And you know, I'm getting closer to 30. I have grown so much. Like, my 20s have been a learning experience. That's definitely like what your 20s are for, to explore and, you know, find yourself. And I feel like that's definitely what I'm doing. I'm headed in the right path, and I just like luxury little things on the way as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching it with me. And I will see you very soon in another video. Thanks, guys. Mwah! Love y'all. Bye.